Get your ingredients: corn tortillas and any type of shredded chicken. Okay, the first step before you roll your tortillas is you need to make them able to be rolled. So you have to warm them in the microwave on high for 2 minutes. I took out 20 tortillas, but if you have like 10 or 12, you could just take a kitchen towel and just fold it over. I'm sure it would cover all the edges. But because I did so much, I'm going to do it on a bigger, I have to do it the other way. So I'm going to open the towel, put the tortillas in, and wrap it. Then I'm going to fold it like this, like that, like that. And they're ready to go to the microwave. And you put them in for 2 minutes. They also have these tortilla warmers that you could buy that you could put the tortillas in. Those are nice to have. I would say always have, kind of use the same kitchen towel always to warm up the tortillas. In the past, I had put a towel that I didn't realize had oil on it, and I put it in the microwave and it caught on fire. So you have to make sure it's a clean kitchen towel. Okay, thank you. Shred the chicken. It could be from rotisserie chicken, leftover chicken, or chicken you've boiled. I want to do videos all over with tortillas and how much chicken. I put a lot of chicken. Mine keto, sorry, because I like them to be meaty.
Nice and beef.
Even tone with the tortillas. So you take it, you tuck it over, you roll it tight, like that. Take the toothpick and go like this. Then you put it in here. Now the oil's hot already. So you can also do these ahead of time and then get the oil ready. And I make the chicken even. See how I kind of make it a shape? Roll. Toothpick. In. I make the chicken even all throughout the tortilla, so it's like amount of chicken. Okay. The other thing I do is I have this ready with paper towels. I lined this strainer with paper towels. Back a little. Okay, so then you do about 5 at a time. Put it on here. Right now they've been here. On here, Pop. Look at the potato. And you have to have some tongs. You flip them over on the side. So they've been browning, flipping them over all the way. Okay, that one I just put in. You might have to go to the side and kind of get them all brown on all sides. Now the toothpick, I know it's sticking out. You can still get them brown on each side. So here we go. And turn this one. When I put them down in the oil, I put them also inside down first. So it seals it. And we can show you at least one. So it's still, let's put the fire a little higher. Yeah, I don't have a whole bunch of oil. There's not like an inch of oil. It's like enough. But I'm going to add a little bit more. Maybe a 1/4 inch of oil. So they're not too greasy. Some people like to deep fry them. So that's fine. Okay, I think this one's pretty much done. I got it pretty brown on all sides. Good. I'm going to put it this way. I'm standing it up again, leaning it against the side so that the oil drains down. And as I put them in, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so here they are. They're grease is coming out. They're sitting there for a while, but they're ready. Don't forget to take out the toothpicks before you serve them. And also we made a few chicken tacos, but it's just plain chicken. You could also season the chicken before you did this, but that's basically how you would put the toothpicks. Okay, have a good night.